You need to hear this if you love crazy animal facts. Ready? Let's go. Houseflies might look tiny and boring, but they're actually incredible. First off, they can see in slow motion. Imagine having superhero vision. And here's something wild. They taste with their feet. Yep, every time a housefly lands, it's having a snack. But wait, there's more. A housefly can flap its wings 200 times per second. That's faster than you can blink. And get this, they can walk upside down thanks to teeny tiny hairs on their legs that work like Velcro. How cool is that? If you thought houseflies were just annoying buzzers, think again. Now if you loved these mind-blowing facts, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this video with your friends. Don't miss out on more awesome animal facts from Animal Facts 100. Thanks for watching.